Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you 5 free Notion Finance Tracker templates. Now, all templates will be in the description and let's get started. So before we get started, I just want to say that all templates, almost all of the templates are from notion.so/templates. Here you can go to the search, you can search for any templates. Let's say you want goal tracker, right? You can put here and then you can go and select on the template that you want and you will be able to put it and duplicate it right here into your Notion. Now let's get started with the video. So first template right here on the list is Finance Tracker template by Modest Mitkus right here, as you can see. Now this is how the template looks like, right? You track your finances by the month, right? And then in the month you will have, as you can see, income, right? Freelance, stocks, crypto, and then you can put year or month and income as well here. Now you can also put expenses, right? You have expenses, breakfast, new computer, new shoes, Spotify, Netflix, right? You put your expenses right here and you can put and go into your, for example, breakfast, and then you can go here and put the category as well. So it's a great free, obviously, a finance tracker. It's simple, it's really easy to use. And yeah, this is number 1 on the list. Now, number 2 on the list is Finance Tracker from Zoe Chu. So as you can see, I use for almost everything. My use cases include client management, remote tool, portfolio tracker, and most recently, personal finance tracking. Now, this is a really simple template. I checked out this template. It's a really simple template, really easy to use as well. It has one big database right here where you can store all of your finances, right? As you can see, you have date, tags, right? Account, files, amount, type, right? Whether it's income or spend, right? Whether it's cash flow in or out, right? Or expenses, right? You can add it right here. So this is number 2 on this list. Number 3 on this list is 50, 30, 20 budget trackers. Now this is more so a budget tracker, right? A straightforward financial planning system for those who just want an easy way to plan and keep track of their budget and finances. As you can see, in the 50, 30, 20 budget system, 50% of your income is allocated to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or paying off debt. Now, as you can see, this is how it looks like. Really simple. It looks really great with emojis and everything like here. And as you can see, you have monthly income, monthly expenses, and then that rounds up for your profits at the end and how much is left in your budget. So this is number 3 on this list. Now, number 4 on this list is a DeFi tracker. Now, this is more so for those of you who want crypto, and it is not a free template. As you can see, it costs $17. Obviously, this template is for those of you who want to track your DeFi projects that are in crypto. Not much to say about it. It's more so for individuals with their DeFi projects to make them easy to manage multiple projects at the same time. It brings organization as well and stuff like that, right? So this is number 4. Number 5 on this list is, again, a free template. This is more so a subscription tracker. So here you can put all your subscriptions that you're tracking. Let's say you have Netflix, Spotify, right? How much you're paying for them. Are they active? Are they canceled? What's the billing? Is it yearly? Is it monthly? How much is the billing? Tags. So it's a really great way to manage your subscriptions, to stay on top of your finances. Now, this is another great finance tracker, in my opinion, for subscription tracker. Again, you just duplicate the template and put it in. So these were top 5 free Notion Finance Tracker templates. I have one more, which is not free, and this is Notion Finance Tracker by Notionway. This is $9. It's pretty cheap, honestly, and you can get a lot of the things done right here. As you can see, you can set your goals, track your income, expenses, and learn from automatic summaries. So it automatically summarizes for you. And yeah, it's a really great way to, again, if you have some money, just invest $9 and you will basically invest in your financial future, basically. So those are top 5, or I would say top 6 free Notion finance tracker templates. Now, some are free, some are not free. Now, I would say 4 of them are free, yeah, and 2 of them are not free. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, comment down below. All the links are in the description, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.